Hi, here is the Minolta Capios 25 overall conditions. Okay, here is the battery compartment using one CL3A battery. Then here is the pouch. Here is the remote. And about the remote, I assume that you need to change the battery in order to use it. Okay, using one CR2032 battery. Let me just put it like this, and we will store inside the pouch. Here, the small compartment is for the remote. Okay, like that. Okay, next thing, by pulling here to open the back cover, inside will be like this. And here's the film. For the film, we need to slide into this compartment to make sure that the motor have fit into the center part of the canister. Like that. Pull it in. Make sure that your film is flat. Pull until here will do. Then we just close it. Okay, here's show figure 1. So now we can start shooting. By clicking this is the on-off button of the camera. Okay, here is the shutter. Here is the zoom. Here is the viewfinder. When you look into the viewfinder, you'll follow at the center point here with the bracket. So you just use that bracket to aim to the object that you want to focus and half press it. Okay, if it's blinking like this, which means that you need time to charge the flash for the red light. If the green light blinking, which means that it can't focus, so you cannot press the shutter. So because it's too near for it, so we aim far a bit and half press. Yeah, you see, it's okay. And just click it. When during a bright place, it wouldn't trigger the flash. As you see here, don't have the red light or orange light. Yeah, if like indoor or dark places, then yeah, you will see you have a red light, which means that it will trigger the flash. Then here is the different mode of it, like macro if you zoom to the max, yeah, by itself. Night mode, then landscape is like automatically focus to infinity, so it's no need to like let it focus, because it will just focus to infinity will do. Yeah. Then here is the timer, also same, half press. If it doesn't blink, click it, and here we have a red light, start blinking, which means that the timer start counting. It took around 10 seconds like that. When it's almost there, it will blink faster, yeah, like that. Okay, then click again. This one is the continuous shooting, which okay, if you click the shutter, it will keep shoot, yeah, like that. Then this one is remote, like this is no. Then the flash now is auto. Wow, you can like red light reduction. Wow, personally feel like doesn't have any big difference or something lah. Then this one is force flash, off the flash, auto. Yeah. Then here is the panorama mode. When you switch up, it will become narrow, like that. Normal will be like this. Okay. So when you should finish, it will auto rewind. So yeah, no worry in using. And if you didn't use it, just off it will do. And about the date, because the select button is spoiled or something, so you see you cannot adjust it. So you just click to select the mode, click to here to off it will do. Yeah. And here's the overall function. Hope you enjoyed.